If you want to speed up some of the slower things in your footage but still include it in your video, why not try TimeShift? TimeShift is kind of like Timelapse, except in Timelapse, your camera is staying stationary, but in TimeShift, the camera and you are moving. It's a fun feature of the Insta360 Ace Pro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. A massive thank you to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. They've sent me the Ace Pro 2 to review. Insta360 have been making incredible action cameras and accessories since 2017. And to learn more about their very cool products, I'll put a link in the description down below. Alright, so accessing TimeShift is pretty easy. So from the rear screen, we want to tap on the video camera icon to bring up the menu of the different modes, and then we're going to scoot across until we find the one where it says TimeShift. Now you can tell it's TimeShift because down the bottom here we have a different icon that's just in my finger. Now we tap down here on the bottom. Now it's going to bring up your TimeShift menu. As you can see, we only have one resolution option and one frame rate option, which is 4K and 30 frames per second. On the left-hand side here, we have some stabilization options. So tap on that one there. So the main one is standard. That's great for like most situations. Say you're moving or you're running or you're say jogging. That's the best one to kind of use. If you want to have a little bit more like of a realistic kind of stabilization, as in like you might see in action movies, like say the Bourne films, a little bit of shake, then you would choose low. And then there's also off. If you are using this option here, you will find that your camera is extremely shaky as there's no stabilization at all, and I definitely don't recommend that one. For most cases, you're going to want to have it on standard. So once you've chosen that, you do have some options here for ratio. You can either choose 16:9, and if we tap on that one, there's also the option there where you can slide that up to 4:3 as well. Down the bottom we have duration, so you can either have it for infinity, which means you keep it in that mode until you turn off the camera, or you have some other options here from 3 minutes all the way up to 3 hours. Now once you've actually made your setting, so I'll make it for infinity, all you need to do now is go out and take some great TimeShift video with your Insta360 Ace Pro 2. TimeShift is only one of the great features of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Timelapse is something else that you might want to add to your footage. It's great for sunsets or if you're filming in the city. And to learn more, you want to click on this video over here right now.